Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain Home Depot credit card online payments. Managing your Home Depot credit card online offers convenience and control. You can easily access your account from anywhere, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This allows you to make payments, view your statements, and even set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. It's a simple way to stay on top of your finances. Making an online payment is straightforward. First, visit the official Home Depot credit card website and locate the login portal. Enter your unique user ID and password to securely access your personal account dashboard. From there, you can choose to make a one-time payment or schedule future payments. Simply select the amount you wish to pay and designate the bank account for the transfer. It's quick and secure. Beyond convenience, the Home Depot credit card offers several key benefits. You'll enjoy zero liability for unauthorized purchases, providing peace of mind. Cardholders often qualify for special financing on larger purchases, typically over $299, allowing you to spread out payments. Additionally, you gain access to exclusive promotions and a generous one-year return period, helping you save money and manage projects. While beneficial, it's crucial to use your card responsibly. Always strive to pay your balance in full each month to avoid accruing high interest charges, which can be significant, often around 29.99%. Regularly monitor your credit score and account activity to ensure financial health and detect any discrepancies. If you notice any suspicious transactions or have questions, contact customer service immediately for assistance. Responsible use ensures maximum benefit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.